Hey, this is Daniel with Thompson & Sons Landscaping. We're out here at Momentum Bank College Station, and we're going to be doing a full rip out and redesign hardscaping project. And I just want to walk you guys through and kind of show you what we're going to be doing. So basically these two front areas right here where our main project is going to be, right now they're holding too much water and the building is actually settling, and you kind of see some of the cracks in the building up here. And so all that's going to come out. We're going to be excavating that all down and going back in with the cobblestone hardscaping paver. And then right here in front of these columns, we'll be doing a stacked stone Weston block planter, irrigated, all ran up through the bottom. And then we're going to actually replant some of these trees that we're going to have to rip out in those planters, so that we are putting back some trees into what we take down. Because that's one of the things that we believe in, is preserving the environment. If we take a tree, we try to plant a tree. Can't wait to see the end result. It's going to be amazing.